Hello friends, this is Gaurav from mysmartprice.com, and here we have the Meizu's M1 Note Full HD. Meizu has launched recently their new affordable phablet, the Meizu M1 Note in India, which is available exclusively at amazon.com. So let's unbox this product and check the phone how it looks. So this is the blue version. The capacity is 16 GB, and as you can see, the network is basically GSM, wideband CDMA, HSPA plus, as well as the LTE network is supported, but it is only supported with the band 3 1800 for India, so not the band 40 2300 megahertz. Meizu has launched the product Meizu M1 Note at a price point of 11,999. So let's open the box. This looks nice. So here we have the Meizu phone, the Meizu M1 Note. This is a cyan version. It really looks nice. We get some instructions manual. Funnily, this is warranty. We also get some sort of a quick startup guide, like important safety and all. So Meizu is not including the earphones. They have said the earphones are not included. So here we get the charger. The charger specifications are difficult to read, but this is basically a 10 watt 5 volt 2 ampere micro USB charger, and this is basically the USB cable, USB to micro USB. They have also given the SIM card ejector tool. The packaging looks quite nice and interesting. So as you can see, it's a 16 GB version model, and there is a SIM 1 which supports the 2G, 3G and the 4G, and the SIM 2 supports only 2G card. So there was some sort of a confusion about whether this phone supports a micro SD card slot or not. We will see it pretty soon. And look like this is only made for basically the 2 SIM cards. So it means that the phone is not supporting the micro SD card slot. In India, Meizu is selling the phone in a 16 GB version. Let's start the phone. So the Meizu M1 Note has a 5.5 inch full HD sharp display. It comes in 2 colors right now in India. One is basically the cyan, this is the sky blue color, or they just call it a blue, and the second is a white. At the back we have a 13 megapixel Samsung camera along with a dual LED flash, and at the left we have the typical volume rocker keys. At the bottom we have the micro USB port along with a mic and a speaker output, the speaker ports. There is nothing on the right except the SIM card ejection slot, here. And on the top we have the power key and the lock key. Here we have the secondary microphone along with the 3.5mm audio jack. So Meizu runs a custom OS basically which is based on Android. We need to see this which version. This looks completely different. So it's running on the Android version 4.4.4. The top side here, it's basically a 5 megapixel wide angle camera. This is a 69-degree wide angle camera at the top, and at back we have a 13 megapixel Samsung AF camera along with a dual LED flash. The aperture of the back camera is f2.2, and the front we have, it's a bright f2.0. We will also see the storage available out of the box. So right now, out of the 16 GB, only something 11.7 GB of storage is available. This phone supports the USB OTG, so obviously whenever you are running out of storage, you have to quickly transfer the data using the USB OTG pen drives. We are going to review this phone pretty soon. Stay tuned for the complete review of the Meizu M1 Note. And thanks for watching this quick hands-on and the unboxing of Meizu M1 Note by mysmartprice.com. Thank you.